everyone. So I've gotten some questions about how to access our Google tools from home. And our elementary students don't have access to the Gmail feature, but they have access to all the other Google tools. If you are using Chrome, up here you have the opportunity to create and sign in any account. So if you've already done so, you can just find your account and sign in using your Google username or password. If you have never done so, you can click Add User and create an account and already a Chrome user, and you can then enter your username. So yours would be at aadusd.org. Click Next and use your password. And link your data and sync it. And I'm not going to set this as default because I actually use Safari. But then you'll be here with your Google account. And if you are a student, you will then have access to all your tools: Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, as well as Google Classroom. If you are using a different browser, say you're using Safari, you can just go to google.com/drive, go to your Google Drive. I'm already signed in, but it would ask you to sign in. Or you can go to google.com/classroom, or just search Google Classroom. And also it will take you, sign in and use your Google Classroom. Hopefully that helps get you signed on so that you can access your tools.